Toothbrush.
Got it. You do your fair share while I'm away, right?
What about him?
Talking to you.
Fair share.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know where you're staying?
Blackpool, some flea pit.
Anyway, we had
I'll
a
phone you tonight and let you know.
Might be the bingo.
I'll leave you a message. See
Still
you.
dead, huh?
See ya.
Fair share, right? Alright.
Charlie, Tom.
All right.
That's good, Jeff.
All right. City fan. Don't talk to me about that shite. It's 30 odd quid. 30 quid to watch a load of poor, idle, talentless, overpaid shit. Crap.
Me, love. I'm at the Lord Nelson Hotel.
Where the match then?
Don't start.
I'm only asking if you went the match.
I'm not rising to the bait, yeah?
It's a shit heap. See ya. Answer machine. What a result.
Probably out shagging.
No way.
Mine is. I think. Oh, yeah. Shaves her legs. Only when I'm away. Some bastard gets smoothies round his neck, and I come back to a stubble. It's not funny. It is not bleeding funny.
No, but say your missus is getting chatted up, though, right? Are you more pissed off if it's some handsome bastard doing it?
Yeah.
So go on. Why then? Why are you pissed off?
I just am.
Why, because he's a handsome bastard?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can see what she sees in him then?
Yeah.
Yeah, what she sees in him is sex. You can see that he's a sexy little bastard. You can see he's sexually attractive. Now, you find him sexually attractive.
You're pissed, mate. What are you doing?
I'm proving a point. It's okay.
Fuck off! Fuck off back there!
All right.
Just leave me out of that, right?
All right.
I'm not into that shite!
Okay.
You just leave me alone, right? Leave me out of that! Fuck! I'm switching rooms, mate. I'm not saying why, that's up to you. What you get up to is your own business, but I'm switching rooms. You think you can see something in me, yeah? Trying that on. Trying that on, you must think you can see something in me. Well, you can't, right?
All right.
100% normal, mate. 100% normal.
Yeah, you're 100% normal.
Yeah.
100% normal. The average man's got to be what? 50% normal, but not you, no, you're 100% normal. And you know what? That's not fucking normal.
I told him you snore.
You got kids?
Yeah.
How many?
2.
How old?
16, 15.
What are they called?
Luke and Leah.
It's nice. Well, nice isn't really a question, is it? So, I shouldn't expect an answer. Good night.
You ever been married?
No? All right, you just check in Nicker's drawer. You know what you'll find?
Shall I talk about City?
You'll find
How
a
much you pay
pair
to
of
watch that
silky
shite?
ones. Football's irrelevant.
£600 a season to watch
It's
that
irrelevant.
shite.
Football's irrelevant. When someone's shagging your missus, football
No,
ceases to
yeah,
matter.
yeah.
You'll find a pair of silky ones, wide at the waist. She puts them on for him. Just sit there at the hips, defying gravity, and he knows just like his tug, and they'll be down. And when that happens,
I'm not
Barry-
listening.
Well, she wants them to fall down to her ankle. She don't want them to catch on her leg hairs and spoil the moment. You know what I mean? She wants them down, round her ankle, so she can just step out of it and bang, they go at it. That's why she's shaving her legs. It is. And you paid for those silky knickers, Barry. You're working your bollocks off here so some other bastard can have all the fun. I'm sorry. I just think that's a liberty. I don't know what these lot think. It's just a liberty, pal. The bloke there plating your missus and you're having none of it. You're joking. Big furry earmuffs.
Kiss me out.
You think there's 3 types of men? Maybe the 100% straight, the 100% gay, and the 50-50s. Because that's bollocks, Charlie. Look at me. Look at me. Every man on this planet is bisexual. I mean, some fancy women more than men, some fancy men more than women, but they're all bisexual. And you can always tell the ones who fancy men more than women because they say things like, I'm 100% normal. Charlie. Did you think you were gay when you were 15? Eh? You made fun of all the queers so all the other lads wouldn't think you were one. Everyone did, Charlie. And it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Either ring up some lights so we can finish it tonight, or stay over and finish tomorrow. It's up to you.
I don't mind.
I don't mind staying over. Get up. I was on this one.
Were you?
Yeah. Not in the chair, like I didn't get past the fastest finger. So it don't bring out the best in, you know. You just sit there praying for the poor bastard to get it wrong so you can have another go at the fastest finger.
Hello, welcome to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Saturday night, we're back with the...
What made you try it on with me?
Snuggled up in front of a nice warm computer.
I liked you, you liked me.
I liking doesn't mean.
Well, it's a start.
Have you ever got it wrong? Gone for someone and taken hiding?
Yeah, once. I mean, I liked him, he liked me. He just didn't like himself.
Here you go up. Charlie.
Oh, sir.
Mate. Cheers, mate. Boys.
Cheers, Barry.
See?
You're going straight on?
Yeah.
Right.
Don't you fancy a pint?
Yeah.
All right. On my terms. Yes, Al. Final item, please. Charlie. Bit is shy, by the way. Would you want whatever you're having? Just a double lager, please, Al. Fancies you.
Very funny.
Relax. Come on.
Everybody wanna come when I'm at the bar. Other people wanna try. Give me some more. Try it up. Give me some more.
We do it again. Hey, can we do it again?
Yeah? When? Next time we're away. You can't shit on your own doorstep, Charlie.
Do you want it out? Do you want it out of your back pocket, you dirty shit stabbing bastard? Get it out! Right. You make a noise, I'll kill you, you dirty puff bastard. Get your wallet out! Get it out! Give me the notes. I want the bleeding notes. And the watch. I want the watch, you dirty puff bastard. Give me the bleeding watch.
Why me? I'm a demolition man, I swing the sledgehammers. There were men looking like tarts in there, so why me?
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Nothing.
he'd seen your wallet at the bar. You soft get. That's why he picked on you, because he'd seen your wallet. Need some money?
Nah. Have a mate in the street, I'll tap him. I won't be a minute, I'm just going to get some money.
Two bathrooms! Oh, there's Shadowline, was it? Get him off, I've got two bathrooms. Oh, hey, Charlie, she's been shagging some bloke behind my back, right? Ask her why. He's got two bathrooms. You don't even have to try. He can look like the Elephant Man. He can look like Fatty Bleed down. Hey, what has he got two bathrooms? And that's it,
I'm just going to go to number 33. I'm not going to do one on you. I'm just going to number 33. Where's your mum?
Shops.
Have you got any money?
No. What happened to you there?
Leah! Have you got any money?
Oh, they do look rather charming.
Oh, Ian, have you got a tenner? Just. I'll give it you straight when the wife gets in.
What happened to your head?
It didn't work.
Right.
Cheers, man.
Yeah, right, down.
Where have you been?
Where does it look?